Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. It's 6:35 in the morning. I've been up since 6. I've already got coffee going. Couldn't sleep. My youngest ended up in bed with me. No. So, anyways. It's a quiet morning. It's dewy. It's really pretty. Coffee's ready. First drink. Cheers. Oh, so yummy. Okay, guys, we're in the chicken coop and we have 2 eggs this morning. 2. Oh god, now I gotta get it under here and get it. One, 2. Just 2. They still have water and feed. These are my chickens. My chickies. Chickies. Okay, chicks are fed and we got 2 eggs, so we're gonna go put these in the kitchen. And then the girls in the back pasture need hay. Hey! So, gotta be careful with these pastures in the front because they are on, and I don't want to get electrocuted. Ready? Animals are fed.
There's the creek. It's flowing that way. All this to here. All right, so freak storm came. It's coming and going. Literally watched this tree fall over from the front of the house over there behind the red truck.
I've never seen it that much before. That was dry yesterday, before you mowed. In that back area way over there. Okay guys, good morning. Today we are starting a project. I am going to be taking these pantry doors out, off the hinges, sanding them and staining them and sealing them. But in order to do that, we have to, one, get them down and in the workshop. So come along as we start our remodeling. Doors are off the hinges. Okay, now I am going to start on the side to see what it does. I don't want to start on the finish yet. I'm going to pull this out like this because I don't want to get my table. Okay, I'm going to sand the side of this and I'll be back. Okay, one side is completely sanded down and it's smooth all the way to the finish. And that's the comparison. So from this one, I don't know if you can see it or not, but from this to that. So there was a fit.
Okay, yeah, just want me to? Great. Yeah, thanks. I really appreciate you doing all this. Ever since my brother Evan started doing these competitions, I've wanted it full time.
Okay, so I've put 3 coats, the contrast from it. Stained, not stained. It looks so good. And I have Tell me what you're doing.
Well, I'm staining.
Were you scared of when I told you I wanted to stain the doors?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting them to come out like that.
Do you like them?
Yeah. I didn't think it was actually... The staining part wasn't in. It was when you said you wanted to paint them.
What do you mean paint them?
You wanted to paint all the wood white.
Well, yeah.
That's what freaked me out. Staining, now that's a different story. I mean, I can deal with this.
Good, because you're going to have to do it to the ceiling.
No, and Am I doing this right? I have no idea. I'm just doing what you told me to do.
Whatever you tell me to, drill sergeant.
Yes, whatever you tell me to do.
I kind of like that.
This?
Yeah, it looks really good in the camera.
Well, I mean, how does it look via your eye, though?
I like it, and I mean, it's not going to bother me. It gives it,
Depth.
yeah, there you go. Hey, Papa, I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, you want a bar?
Do I want a bar? No. I think I need.
Oh, so I have one right here.
Oh, you got one right there?
Yeah, I got one right in my hand.
Right in your hand. Magic, right? You magically just pull the bar out of nowhere.
Yep. I had it the whole time.
On the back side, he only had to do one coat of staining.
Stain without wiping off.
Without wiping, we're just gonna let it stain
Soak in.
and soak in. Because we're gonna seal it with polyacrylic. There you go. Polyacrylic. We've got some. It's matte finish. It's not shiny. And before we can attach it to the doors. So I think for our first project on remodeling the house, I mean, it was tedious.
I mean, you started this on Friday until you found out that I had a hand sander, electric. She didn't call me.
So what took him 1 hour to do took
you
me
like-
all day.
Man.
What was your first thought when you walked in the door?
It don't look that bad.
What makes you think it would have looked that bad?
Because pretty much for almost the 2 years that we've lived here, the house has been,
Pine.
yeah,
Just pine.
that color right there. The whole house.
Pine.
So
Now,
now I have to get an adjustment of the stained, and now you want me to stain the rest of the house.
just the ceiling.
Oh, just the ceiling. Just the ceiling.
And a couple things. But we'll be discussing that in another video of what we're going to do at the house, right?
Yeah.
Because we spent the first year
Outside.
outside, right?
Outside.
Outside.
And never even thought of doing any form of remodeling in this home.
Because we wanted to do the outside first, right?
Yeah. We were semi-done with the outside.
I mean, it's a work in progress every day, right?
Daily, yeah.
Daily.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially with them horses.
Yes.
Escape artist.
Yes. Because baby Rain got out again today. She likes to jump, so. But anyways, we are going to
Do some final touches on this door, and then we're going to have the polyacrylic onto it and see how long at least one side
It's
takes
supposed to
dry.
take 24 hours. So I figure if we stand it up, you paint one side, I paint the other, good to go. Tag team. Tag team. Back again.
No.
No?
Yeah.